All right, so quick disclaimer, folks. We did a straight pipe on this thing. Not a good idea. Sounds terrible, looks terrible. Didn't want to throw away the entire video, so we're going to shoot the video, but we're going to show a little bit at the end where we actually do put on a real exhaust, Magnaflow. Pretend that the entire time that it is a Magnaflow muffler and not a stupid straight pipe. Look who it is. Look what it is. It's back. We're going to straight pipe it today.
Is straight piping a car illegal?
Yes, but let's do it anyway. Because we want it to be nice, low, slow, obnoxious. We're gonna get some rims on there one day. We're gonna put 6 diesel engines in the back. This thing's got an 8-foot bed. That's real hauling right there.
So your mother in the back. Some dinky bob.
Part of your e-brake system, it pulls the lever, and then it pulls these 2 things here, and then it stops those tires, supposedly. You know, anyone that owns a 22 RE is probably used to this stuff right here. Undercoating, we call it. No, that's okay, because we're putting a Ferrari motor in here anyways, aren't we? That's one of my favorite repair jobs I've ever seen. Zip tie, where you could clearly just have put a bolt in there. Let's hack this thing off.
Oh yeah!
Oh, what is happening? There's a lot of pressure on this side. I gotta cut it this way.
Holy shit!
Oh, 15. Oh, damn it.
Got it.
What the? Oh my god. Yeah! Straight. My eyes. Okay, I'm not going down. Not gonna weld and smoke this time. Oh, that
wow.
stinks. Oh,
wow.
It's burning the bench.
All the oil that's in there.
Cauterizing our bench. Fire hazard. Now it's time to measure it. 19. Good age. And then we're gonna measure this a little bit longer. This pipe's a slight bit bigger than the one that's on there. We're gonna slip it over. Perfect. 20. Not as good of an age. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's pretty straight.
That's a pretty straight pipe right
That's
there.
a straight pipe.
God damn.
God damn.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
There.
Nice. Very cool. We can just leave it like that, honestly.
There.
I love it.
Tight retraction.
Torch time! Oh yeah.
When I say when, you're just gonna push on there ever so slowly until you think it's in a good spot.
Very cool.
This is gonna be up to you. Oh, hey, it still works. Oh, oh. All right, start pushing. Yeah. Okay. That looks pretty good. What do you think of that, huh? That's how you straight pipe a Toyota. It's very difficult.
Shit.
Oh, what an exciting moment for the Toyota and Reggie and the Toyota and the Toyota and Reggie and Reggie and the Toyota and Reggie and the Toyota. Oh. What are we doing today, Heath?
Putting the muffler muffler back on because taking your muffler out is the most high school summertime thing I've ever seen in my life.
It
Oh,
does
hey,
sound.
you're filming.
Yeah, so we screwed up last time. We should have just put a muffler on it.
I leave the shop for 1 week and this is what happens.
Let's fix it up. No man, you weren't kidding. This thing smokes, dude. Wow. Alright, and that's it for straight piping a Toyota. We're gonna see this thing in the future. Most likely putting some sort of a different motor or rebuilding this one or something. We gotta do something about that smoke.
Stinky, man.
It stinks. But we'll see you next time.